Today we have the 2020 Volvo XC40. This is a petrol plug-in hybrid vehicle. It has done just under 79,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. On the first page of our screen, we can access our applications. This includes our download center, driver performance, and vehicle status. On the second page is our key features, navigation, radio, smartphone integration, and our average fuel consumption. On the final page, we have our car functions. This includes our charge, lane keeping aid, park assist, and our road sign information. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera. Just below we have our drive mode button. From here we can switch between our 4 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.